Welcome back to online classes. So this is second model question paper. So in today's class I will discuss only 1 marks and 2 marks questions, and remaining questions, it is 6 marks, 12 marks practical oriented, I will do on different videos. So let us start discussion. Answer any 8, each question carries 1 marks. So in section A you will get 10 questions. Out of 10 you have to answer any 8. So first question, receipt signed payment account is a summary of dash and dash book. So you know receipt signed payment account is a summary of cash receipts and cash payment. So here we'll record both cash and bank book. So receipt signed payment account is a summary of cash and bank book. So answer is cash and bank. Next, the agreement between the partners must be to share. So you know it is an agreement between the partners to share. The option is profits and losses, and none of the above. The correct answer is profits and losses. Next, in order to form partnership firm, there should be at least dash persons. You know, to start partnership firm, a partnership firm business, the minimum should be 2 persons. So answer is 2 persons. Next, give the formula for calculating a gain ratio. You know, gain ratio, it is there under retirement of a partner. So gain ratio is also called as benefit ratio. The formula is new ratio minus old ratio. Who is an executor? Executor is an legal representative of a death of a partner. Executor is an legal representative of a death of a partner. He is eligible to claim the amount from remaining partner. So after the death of a partner, so as per the agreement, you know, the many partners, the legal representative may be the family members only. So executor is an legal representative of a death of a partner. What is issue of shares at a premium? Issue of shares at par value, at premium value, at a discount value. If the shares issued to the public, if the value is more than its face value, that we can treat it as a issue of shares at a premium. If the company is offered to public, the share price, if it is more than its face value, that value we can consider as issue of shares at a premium. It is an income. So this issue of shares premium, securities premium in balance sheet will show under reserves and surplus. Next, profit on forfeited shares transfer to capital reserve account. So state true or false. You know, in passing the journal entries, 12 marks question, the finally answer that is profit, you are going to transfer to a capital reserve account. So the answer is true. The profit on forfeited shares transferred to capital reserve account. So answer is true. Next, name any one internal uses of financial statement. So the uses of financial statements divided into internal and external. Now here the internal users, management, finance manager, owner, auditors, employees. We can write any one. State any one difference between current liabilities and non-current liabilities. Now the differences, current liabilities, you know, the short-term liabilities that has to be paid within a short period. Non-current liabilities are long-term obligations of the company. For the repayment of these liabilities, we will get more than a year. So we'll get time to repay the non-current liabilities. So current liabilities, short-term obligation for company which are payable within a non-current liabilities or long-term obligations of the company. The time of lag in the repayment of non-current liabilities are more than 1 year. So we can write any one difference here. Now, two more questions. What is partnership deed? Partnership deed is an agreement between the partners signed by all the partners. So it is an agreement between the partners. Next, state any two features of partnership form. Two features: sharing profits and losses, how they are going to share profits and losses. Next, agreement between the partners. So unlimited liability. You know, the partners, the liabilities are unlimited. So we can write any two. Give the general entry for realization expenses paid by the firm. So expenses paid by the firm, the two cases here. First case, if expenses paid by the firm, so under realization account we are going to record debit side bank account expenses. So general entry, if is realization expenses paid by the firm, realization account debit to bank account. Narration being realization expenses or dissolution expenses or liquidation expenses paid. If expenses paid to partners, so general entry, partners capital account debit, realization account debit to partners capital account. Next, why realization account is prepared? Realization account is prepared to know the realization account profit or loss. Now, how to find out realization account profit or loss? By realizing all the assets and after the payment of liabilities. So, realization accounts prepared at the time of dissolution of a partnership firm. Now, what is forfeited of shares? Forfeiture of shares means cancellation of shares due to non-payment on call money. That is, due to non-payment on first or final call. So, those shares, the board of directors will decide after giving a notice to particular shareholders, those are not paid. So those shares will be going to forfeited by the board of directors, and again those shares are going to reissue to other shareholders. So simple, forfeited shares means cancellation of shares due to non-payment on first or final call money. Next, what is prospectus? Prospectus is an invitation made by the joint stock company to its shareholders or to its investors or to a public. Is an direct advertisement, you can say. So prospectus is an invitation to public for subscription of shares and debentures. So prospectus may be through advertisement or magazines. So to attract the investors, a company to raise its capital, a company is going to give the invitation, that is prospectus, to public to subscribe the shares and debentures. Next, write any two features of financial statement. So financial statements recorded facts. The first feature we can write. And second, accounting conventions, that is recorded facts is the first feature, and second, the accounting conventions. Certain accounting conventions are followed while preparing a financial statement. So that is accounting conventions means, so you will follow some prescribed format as per the Companies Act of 2013. You can write any two. Next, give the meaning of financial statement. So financial statement refers to the final accounts of a company that are prepared at the end of the accounting period to ascertain the financial result of the company. That is, financial result means the position of the company. So it is an statement prepared by the company at the year end to ascertain the financial position of the company. Now come to 6 marks questions. First, 19th one. You need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. 6 marks questions will get 7 out of 7. We have to answer any 4. First, you can select any 4 questions. Then if you get time, you can write additional questions at the last after writing all the sections. Next, question number 20. Is an average period method. Ram with rupees 3,000 quarterly at the end of each quarter. First, under average period method, you need to find out average period. How to find out average period? Longest plus shortest. Longest is 9. So under average period method, you have 3 steps. First, you need to find out average period. Formula longest outstanding months plus shortest outstanding months divided by 2. So longest 9 here, shortest 0. So 9 divided by 2. That is 5.5. And total drawings 3,000 into 4. We should not take 12 months here. So amount of drawings is 3,000 into 4. In a year we get 4 quarters. Now you have to apply the formula. Next, question number 21. You need to prepare death of a partner account. Next, question number 22. You have to find out gain ratio, formula new ratio minus old ratio. Question number 23. You have to pass the journal entries, 6 journal entries. Question number 24. Statement of profit and loss. Question number 25. Preparation of balance sheet. Now, 6 marks questions, we have to select any 4 first. Then 12 marks questions. So later I will do separate videos on these questions. You try yourself. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Now, practical oriented question. Answering 2 questions, each carrying 5 marks. So you get 3 questions. Out of 3, you have to answer any 2. How to treat the following in the absence of partnership deed? So, what are the terms and conditions? General terms and conditions without a partnership deed. Interest on capital, not allowed. Interest on drawings, not charged. Interest on loan payable at 6% per annum. Distribution of profit and loss equally among the partners. And salary or commission to partners not payable. Question number 34. Prepare executor loan account. You need to prepare executor loan and you have to show the imaginary figures, that is along with the amount. Next, name the major heads under which the following items will be presented in the balance sheet. So, securities premium we are going to show under reserves and surplus. Land and building under non-current assets, tangible assets. Bank overdraft, current liabilities. Inventories, current assets. Goodwill under non-current assets, intangible asset.